It's all part of a special family-friendly program at the Milwaukee Art Museum, and that's where we find WISN 12 News contributor Van McNeil this morning. Good morning, Van.
Good morning, Eden. We are learning about Haitian art, Haitian culture, live performances, special different art projects. Emily Sullivan, Damar Walker here with all of the celebration, all the information. Talk about the performances we got going on today.
So we have a performance every Saturday at 1 o'clock, and it's special because it'll be in the Coles Art Generation Lab, which is our Haitian art gallery.
And Damar Walker, you're with Kothi Dance Company.
Kothi Dance Company.
And you guys will be dancing here, doing some special performances. What are you guys all about?
Yes, so we are Kothi Dance Company. We specialize in the dance and musical forms of Africa and the diaspora. Diaspora meaning anywhere African people ended up due to the transatlantic slave trade, established in 1969 right here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Oh, some roots here.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what are we going to see here? We got some dancers ready to go?
So, yeah, the company will be performing a piece from actually Guinea, West Africa, entitled Sorsene this morning.
Nice.
Yeah.
And they will be here, the Milwaukee Art Museum's Coles Art Generations Sights and Sounds, learning all about Haitian art and Haitian culture. Where can we learn about Kothi, Tamar?
You can find us at kothi.org. That is ko-thi.org.
That is amazing. What kind of dance are we seeing here?
This is Sorsene. This is a warrior dance coming from Guinea, West Africa.
So check them out here at the Milwaukee Art Museum. Fun for the entire family. That's pretty amazing. Van McNeil coming to you live from the Milwaukee Art Museum. It's WISN 12 News this morning. I feel like I should dance or something.
Yeah, you got to learn those moves, Van. They sound great.
That doesn't get you going this morning, then I don't know what's going to. It's
I love
energy
the
and
cultural clothing. Very beautiful as well.
That is awesome.